Mele Aloha is sponsored by First Hawaiian Bank, wishing you the spirit of aloha throughout the holiday season. Hawaiian Host Chocolates, Hawaii's gift to the world. HMSA, the preferred health plan of Hawaii's people. And McDonald's Restaurants of Hawaii, wishing you and your loved ones a safe and happy holiday season.
One Sunday in November, we gathered together with our musical friends from across the islands to share our aloha in a circle of songs. From the KGMB studios, Kaleo na Mele Aloha, starring Auntie Erngard Aluli and Puomana, Hoai Kane, the Ho'opi'i Brothers, Aunani Apoliona, Ledward Ka'apana, Barney Isaacs, Na Kupuna, and the Brothers Casimiro.
We love these islands and all that they share, warmth of happiness and time to care, untold tales of times long past, of kings and queens of this and that. Trust in us and you'll know no cares. Throw back your arms and take to the air. Magic people and kingdoms, gaze into the sea to know what life brings you. Our majesty and strength can you see through the barrier of years and the passing of ages. For the meaning of what was is now, ours to give and ours to show. Share from the heart for the body and soul. Trust in us and you'll know no care. Throw back your arms and take to the air. Fly until you know no boundaries. Laugh a melody of joy and illusion. Grab a sunbeam shining into the canyon, coloring the mountains over and over. If you ever want to believe in the mysteries of glory we speak of to you, look into the mirror of this life as we know it. Come, my friends, we'll take the best and we'll share it. Trust in us and you'll know no cares. Throw back your arms and take to just like living in paradise. And I don't wanna go home. This for you, Larry. This must be just like living in paradise. And I don't wanna go home. And I don't wanna go home. And I don't wanna go home. Mahalo.
Leona Mele Aloha, a circle of songs will continue. Ask your father, dear.
Be a good boy, Buster. Buster, the Goldie, Buster.
It wouldn't be Christmas without it.
Honey, please bring me the big hammer.
There's one Christmas tradition we all share. The tradition of shopping at Liberty House.
What you want? A friendly smile and McDonald's service, island style. What you get? A local folks just like you, taking pride in everything we do. What you want? Is a place in your neighborhood with deals that get you feeling mighty, mighty, mighty good. What you get? Is the best for you, I'm more for your money than you. What you want is what you get in your Hawaii McDonald's today.
In the time it takes to fill out most personal loan applications, you can call First Hawaiian Bank's Loan by Phone, where you'll get an answer in an hour or less, guaranteed. Or we'll give you $10.
Hello? Wow, that was fast. Thanks.
So, can you really pick up a loan by phone? Call Loan by Phone and make the holidays even merrier.